Good morning. Fresh train to Penn Station, New York. That is the only stop. Penn Station only. Train does not stop at Woodside.
Did that zero Pepsi taste good or no?
Penn Station
Okay,
next to
got
Pop
those,
Stop. I'll take it from the side.
Pawpaws in there. Do you not like those? The seltzer? I like that one. It's cucumber and strawberry. It's like very refreshing tasting. Kevin mixes the bubbles out of it. He does it with his, I never understand him. He does it with his ginger ale. And sometimes he does it with seltzer. I think because it just makes him purple. He mixes the bubbles, so it's not as bubbly. And then, I like him. gonna get texted for how long? I'm gonna miss you.
I had Shannon, she'll call it frogs, she lived out already there. She already did her exit on the last one. She just said, "Look." Everything's very, are you okay? So, I said, "Did you get ready yet?" She's tough. She's very, she's like compassionate. You know,
I forget what it was. I'll have to ask her again what it was, but I don't know if Shannon was playing with something related or what it was, but Kevin said he saw a Reagan game on the screen. Can't get it. It was like, what? Or whatever she said. It was not super like her, but that's kind of how she is. Right? That side of her. Yeah, she gets like. What? She said like mom face. Yeah.
she looks ready to get ready to go out.
But when she's done, done.
It was funny because Shannon wants to do a little phone all the time. Last time, it's like I remember when Reagan liked to have to control the phone, but Reagan was never there. It's like, turn it sideways.
Okay.
I love you. I broke all of mine off from, this one
We
was,
could do your Easter meal.
I did this one broke off about, it was about
I don't know if I have any
2
colors
inches
you like.
long. And then this one, I cut off, it was about 2 inches long. Then we started ripping down here because it was red. It did dry out. Poor thing, I tried to lotion
I don't know if I got, yeah, mine like, I cut them short because they were peeling it there. I don't know why. But, they were peeling it, I don't know what they were peeling. I don't know if I have any colors you
That's really pretty.
can grab the other than if you want to wear something nice on Easter.
I don't have anything. I just even forgot a pair. I didn't know what pair it was.
Yes, I do.
I didn't have a lot because first off, I didn't have a lot of room. And then I brought that yard and I got so much down your yard. I didn't have a hard, I had a hard time looking stuff up back and forth.
Very excited about my red glass. I was drawn to them. I tried a burgundy, like a dark burgundy there, and a more of a red, like a red clear, you know? And it was funny because I had the man was helping me today. And he wasn't like, there's like a trendy guy that works there, and there's like this like Russian. Like he's just kind of like very like he doesn't have a lot of expression. Like I remember the other guy though, he was like, oh, try these. Like like he was very like, no, I don't like that. He was like in the car like, oh, and he was like, please fill the sequence. I go, well, I need help. I go, I like these two. He's like, okay, let's see. He goes, no, those are better. Those brighten up your. The other ones, he goes, those are the ones. Those are boring. Doesn't matter. I thought so too. Thanks. I got a tortoiseshell pair. But I mean, my prescription didn't change. So I don't think my other glasses are trash. I like having on. I wanted to. I even got the clear pair with no shoes on there. I think it's good.
I have it come in with it. I have this come in with it. That big green service I got for Rachel. I have my steering from carrying it, putting it on the floor, and the car is starting to take the final off. Those purses are
What? I like mine. They're very.
yeah, but I like the yeah, because you got the cloth one.